First, the top news headlines. India's COVID-19 cases rise to 873. Global death toll touches 27,333. China to share coronavirus data with US, Trump. And Manipur government leaving no stone unturned in fighting coronavirus. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI. Let's get the news rolling. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Saturday said there were a total of 873 cases of novel coronavirus COVID-19 in India. Of this, there are 775 active cases, while 78 patients have been discharged and 19 have died, according to a media report. Maharashtra on Saturday reported 6 new cases, with a tally rising to 159, while Gujarat reported 6 new cases, with the total number in the state at 53. Meanwhile, the global death toll rose to 27,333 on Saturday, with the highest number of deaths in Italy. There are 5,95,953 people infected by the virus across the world, with the US alone reporting 1 lakh on Friday. New York is still the worst hit country in the US. China will share its data related to the novel coronavirus pandemic with the US, and the country will learn from Beijing experience, President Donald Trump has said, a day after he held an hour-long conversation with his Chinese counterpart, Xi Jinping. According to a media report, days after the US president angered Beijing by referring to the coronavirus as Chinese virus, and his Secretary of State, Mike Pompeo, said China's ruling Communist Party posed a substantial threat to Americans' health and their way of life. Xi Jinping assured full support to Trump in fighting the coronavirus as America emerged as the next major epicenter of the pandemic, but underlined that infectious diseases did not recognize any border or race. The Manipur government is taking up all possible measures to ease the difficulties faced by the public during the ongoing nationwide lockdown. Besides leaving no stone unturned in combating outbreak of the virus in the state, curfew was relaxed in different districts today to allow people to buy essential items. Meanwhile, Manipur has so far recorded only 1 COVID-19 case. The 23-year-old woman is currently undergoing treatment at the isolation ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims, Imphal. Health officials said all parameters of the patient are now normal. As part of the measures to solve the problem of rice shortage in Manipur during the 21st day lockdown called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to contain COVID-19 pandemic, rice was distributed to residents in most districts of the state. Patsoy MLA A.K. Mirabai distributed 10 kgs of rice to every household yesterday at Tera Lukram Leirak, Sapam Leirak Nongmai Tem Leikai, and Hainaupok Maning Leikai of Imphal West District. To prevent overcrowding, rice asans and volunteers drop the rice at the doorsteps of every locality. At other places, people maintain a 1-meter distance in queue in taking the ration. Chairman of ADC Tamenglong, Namsin Ray Panmay, sent 2 truckloads of rice for Tamenglong headquarters and Tausem subdivision from Imphal FCI godown yesterday. 52 Tamay constituency MLA Awangbo Newmai also transported 6 truckloads of rice for Tamay subdivision headquarters.
We are standing here at the Hainaupok Maning Leikai under Imphal West of Manipur, and these are the pictures of people standing in the queue trying to get their shares of the rice that has been distributed by the local pradhan of the Hainaupok Maning Leikai. From Hainaupok Maning Leikai, with camera person Loya, this is Blessing Gangmai for TOMTV News.
Under the initiative of Federation of Government College Teachers Association, FEGOGTA Manipur, government college teachers in Manipur will donate one-day salary to Chief Minister COVID-19 Relief Fund. The decision came after an emergency meeting of FEGOGTA on 26th of this month, a press release from the association informed today. A drug peddler was arrested by Thoubal Police Commando in front of UBI Bank Thoubal Bazaar yesterday evening. The arrested has been identified as Sagolsem Shanti Singh, age of 51 years, of Beers Company, a police report said today. The police recovered 15 grams of suspected heroin and I-10 car bearing registration number MN01S6959, 3 live round of 9mm pistol, 1 double barrel gun, 3 live round of double barrel, 1 empty cartridge of double barrel, and a chase small arm holster from his possession. World Anti-Doping Agency WADA Chief Vitol Banka has said that no athlete will take advantage of the gap in drug testing created by the coronavirus outbreak and warned drug users that they will be caught soon. According to reports, WADA acknowledged last week that the coronavirus pandemic had created challenges for drug testers, with countries closing borders, cancelling flights, and forcing mandatory quarantines or isolations and the shutdown of the sporting calendar. Under the initiative of Setrigao MLA Nahakpam Indrajit, a fogging drive was carried out at several places of Setrigao constituency yesterday as part of the preventive measures to combat COVID-19 outbreak. The residents appreciated the initiative of the local MLA. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Recording.
Thanganjaba Kanagumba Miyoi Karana Liglagi uniform setuna Chana Thanaba Polam Sing Saba factory unit amada Yamna Hangoiningai Oina Chathaba Tabak Singi video ama social media da Sandorokli. Thodogasida Hakting Nana Chenariba Miyoi Singasi Nilakuchida Leba Food Park Company Sigi Pet Bottle Blowing Division Gi Thomi Aktani. Adubu Sandorokli ba video Sida Uriba Mafamasidi Liglagi factory nate. Atopa food manufacturing unit amagini amadi mafam maduda chanapathap wangmalana miyoi sing asina changduna asigumba mathong huktaba thabak sing asi tawrambani masina maram oiraga liglana awangba thakta quality control tawduna puthokchariba chana naba potlam sing asi miyamda chingnaba pokhanaba achoba machak amo helli chenariba miyoi sing asigi mathakta inquiry chathaduna company policy gi matung ina lokhatpham thokpa thabak sing lokhalagani Liglagi polam sing asi yamna checksina yengsinduna mamangaigum quality laina amadi hygienic oina adumak puthokigani haina miyamda thajaba pijari loinana kanagumba miyoi singna liglagi food manufacturing unit singda laktuna yengbining lebasu liglana thonglauna hangduna thamjari laibak thiba thodogasina liglabu miyamna lana uhanbiganu amadi lana lamjingbiganu khanghanjariba thangjam joy kumar managing director ligla Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau fangbiragani Sangbrai Bambidagi Sungba, organic oiraba amadi side effect laitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri nungsang laikoi haksang chikpa laihau apomba phuri samkenba tonsil na chingba kaya layengbada kanaba piri thau si thakpadi yade akupa moral gidama contact tawbiu Sangbrai thau kyamgai maning laikai contact number 9366949811 Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at Rs 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back. General Secretary of Dam Makong Development Tulihal Topokpi Abjal Taubal Mayum has thanked the ward members and DM. Executive members for their assistance to combat COVID-19 outbreak. Volunteers of the local club sprayed disinfectant and distributed edible items to the poor and needy persons of the area.
COVID-19 na landam sida sauna setting purely basida Karatora basis Hafanava Haiduna Dam Makong Development Organization Tulihal Tabokina Konbe area sinda disinfectant or another Hida Lantaxing Camel Katoki, Amazon Saitoki, Masita Natana, Klapsina Kolive area sing Amadi, whole to little Tabuk Pigi area sing Sida, Sotana Layreva, Susan Nomjari, one in Jeriva sing Sida, Quiggy, Klapki Makai de Gueva, Sanatana Nava Polonki Amram Yantoki, Masida, Yantopaki Masida, Quiggy, DM. Executive member sing, Amadi Quiggy working member, Yamna Sound of Financial Give Matin Sound of Pangiki. Masida Quiggy Makai Degi the Quiggy Clucky Mike emotion Zeragaina General Secretary Moina Yam Sauna Nuiva the Tagar Fundok City.
Amid the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown, Hairok Nagar Panchayat Ward Number 7 Councillor Kundongbam Jayanti distributed basic commodities to daily wage earners in his ward to help ease difficulties. United Meitei Pangal Organization, Manipur, condoled the sudden and untimely demise of former founder, General Secretary of UMPO and Democratic Youth and Student Union, Harun Rashid Moizing Mayum of Porompat Pangal Leirak in Imphal East. Police this morning resorted to blank firing in order to disperse an unruly crowd amid lockdown in Assam New Bongaigaon area. According to reports, the Bongaigaon police, while ensuring that no one ventures out in the open in groups, had to open fire in the air to quell the crowd at Bolaguri Market near New Bongaigaon Railway Junction. This morning also witnessed people coming out in huge numbers to purchase essential items. They were seen defying the rules of gathering in groups with no social distance. Some teenagers also reportedly had pelting stones at the police team. In retaliation, the Bongaigaon police fired in the air to disperse the crowd. The Mizoram government yesterday officially designated State Referral Hospital Joram Medical College as isolation and treatment center for COVID-19 infected patients, an official statement said. The move was taken as per the guidelines set up the central government to acquire suitable hospitals and nursing home for isolation and treatment center of infected patients, the statement said. As per reports, officials of Joram Medical College said vacating of beds at the medical college is under progress to make room for both suspected and infected patients of COVID-19. They said all OPDs were closed and inpatients are being shifted to Aizawl Civil Hospital and private hospital in the state capital. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has tested positive for coronavirus and is self-isolating in Downing Street. He said he had experienced mild symptoms over the past 24 hours, including a temperature and cough, but would continue to lead the government. Another 181 people died with the virus in the past day, according to media reports. It takes the total number of UK deaths to 759 with 14,543 confirmed cases.
I've developed mild symptoms of the coronavirus, that's to say a temperature and a persistent cough. And on the advice of the Chief Medical Officer, I've taken a test that has come out positive. So I am working from home, I'm self-isolating, and that's entirely the right thing to do. But be in no doubt that I can continue, thanks to the wizardry of modern technology, to communicate with all my top team to lead the national fight back against coronavirus.
U.S. President Donald Trump signed into law yesterday a historic $2 trillion stimulus package as the American public and the U.S. economy fight the devastating spread of COVID-19. According to reports, the far-reaching legislation stands as the largest emergency aid package in U.S. history. It represents a massive financial injection into a struggling economy with provisions aimed at helping American workers, small businesses, and industries grappling with the economic disruption. The House of Representatives earlier in the day approved the bill that passed the Senate earlier this week, overcoming last-minute drama by using an unusual procedural move toward a demand by a conservative Republican to force members to vote in person. Before we wrap up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. India's COVID-19 cases rise to 873. Global death toll touches 27,333. China to share coronavirus data with US, says Trump. And Manipur government leaving no stone unturned in fighting coronavirus. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.